Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can download Wise app. So to do so, you can either use your phone and just go to Play Store or App Store and search for Wise app and download through that. Or if you have PC, then you can just open your browser and type in Wise download, and then you can see these options over here. Just choose any. I'm choosing this one. So this is the official website. So here's the option. If you have an iOS device, tap on download on the App Store, but if you have an Android, then go and tap on Google Play. And then you'll be able to download Wise app. So guys, that's how you download Wise app in PC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.